Imagine about what it means to be a student and suddenly lose not just their school, but a sense of safety and living in uncertainty. The Tigray War in Ethiopia made millions of people leave their homes. Schools were destroyed, and students were forced into displacement camps. Now, the war has ended, but thousands of girls still remain displaced. They have no home, no hope. Many of those girls wake up each day in temporary shelters, uncertain of what their future looks like, cut off from education, stability, and a sense of normal life. Many of them have faced gender-based violence during the war, and today they are still not able to return to school because of trauma and social stigma. I created a project Restoring Hope in response to this reality. With the support of $2,000 from Go Make a Difference Fund, I will support 36 displaced girls in Mekelle from June 20 to July 20, 2026 for 1 month. This project is delivered in partnership with Hewiyet Charity Association, a local organization in Mekelle that was established in response to the war to support survivors of gender-based violence and that provides professional psychological support. Together, we combine their experience in mental health support with a safe and supportive learning environment for the girls. The professionals will support the girls in dealing with trauma, and through learning activities, I aim to help them reconnect with education, to slowly rebuild their confidence, and to remind them that they still belong in a classroom. Project Restoring Hope will create a space where they can start again. And when they are ready to go back to school, each of the 36 girls will receive full educational and sanitation supplies, so they can return with dignity and confidence. Helping 36 girls will not change the world, but it changes the world to them. And I believe that is how changes begin. One life, one girl, one future at a time.